guys, welcome to again Cat with Caps. And now today we will make this drawing with I take this from the Google and we will try to make this in the SolidWorks. I will teach you step by step how to make and how to use the commands and how to learn the drawing as well. So let's start it. So first of all we make this part, which you can see is we can make this one on the front one. We can open SolidWorks, take a front sketch, then we can make the one circle. What's the dia? We can see over here. It's 2.5. No, this is not 2.5. The outer dia is over here. 3.5 for the full dia. So this one is the 3.5, not 2.5. So we can give this as a 3.5 inch. And now we will go for extrude. How much we have to extrude? So we will see the thickness. How much for this thickness? Do they describe for the thickness? I really did not describe how much thick this one, right? So we will make for the, I think the 1 inch. We'll try first with the go with the 1 inch. What's the result? Yeah, that's good. And now we will make a holes over here, this one. So we make these holes. And what's this? It's the through hole. It's the also the bore dia. So we can make with the whole one. So we can select the whole wizard. Okay, now we select the counter bore. Okay, now we have to select the size. The counter bore, we have to select the inch. Oh, yeah, and now we have to select is the blind, yeah, and which type of this one, the through hole, and yeah. Okay, so we can mark all the things over here. So in the first section we have to reset how the broad the smaller part. So over here we can see is the 0.4. No, the smaller is 0.28 and the large one is 0.4. So this one is a 0.28. This one should be the 0.40. And for the depth, how much it was, we can see this one is 0.26. So we will write over here 0.26. And now we have to give the position, and we can select Control 8 to give the complete position. We will give the dimension. We need this one. So we will select over here and we'll give the dimension. What's the distance between these two? Yeah, for this we have to find the circle diameter. What's the diameter of this? So for that one, we have the diameter for that or not? The holes distance, we don't have the distance between these holes, but we know that is the 6 of them, and the diameter should be, I think, 3. So we will give the distance of over to over is a 1.5, and same. Okay, so we just make the one. Okay, now we will give this to circular pattern. So we will select the feature from here. We can, yeah, and direction we will just see circle. We need equal spacing. We want total 6 of them. And okay, yeah, so now we have this one. We'll now go for the further this part. This one is the fillet, so we just make this one. So for this, the outer part is the diameter which is given over here is the 2.25 inch. So we take the sketch on the front surface of this one, get the circle and give the diameter of 2.25. Oops, I think we did. Yeah, it should be 2.25 die, yep. So we have to increase this distance because it's not given in the, yeah. So we'll increase this one to 2, and oops, at 1.8. 8. Let's see what happened. Yeah, now that's great. I think also this one will be just a 1. We can change this one to just 2. Yeah, that's good for us. And also, we have the inners, this one. And what's the die for this? It's also not mentioned what's the die for the inner one. So we will take 2, and we need this thickness. Oh, but we have this one from the center. Yeah, so we have. So it's 1.245. Yeah. So we can make the another circle inside, and we have the dia of 1.125. Yeah. Now we will extrude this part. And what's the length for this? So it's not mentioned how much we have to extend. So we will extend around 2 inches. Yeah, it's good. We will say just no. So we have to 2.5. Yeah, that's great. Now we have to give the fillet over here. So take the fillet, and the fillet is, I think, the point. It's over here. It's a 5 of fillet. I think it's not good. We'll check what happened. It's good or not. No, it's not. It's not the right dimension. It's a 0.5, I think. Oh, 0.5 is too much bigger, right? It's looking great, but not good. 0.05, I think that's really good. Yeah, 0.05. So they took the mistake giving the dimension. It should be the 0.05. Now we will start to make this inner part. Because we done with these holes, outer holes. Now we have to make this one, the inner part. So see, there is over here, this one. This is the extension over here. Then again, this one, this one, this one, and this large one. So what we do, firstly we make this one, which have the diameter of 2 point. It's a 0.75. So we'll make that hole. So we make this through hole first of all, that for that one. 0.75, and we cut to the all. Yeah. Now we take the back surface sketch, and what's the data for this? We'll check now. It's over here, 1.625. So we will make over here 1.625, and it's not the throw, so we have to select how much for that. It's the point. It's 0.2. It's 0.25. So we'll get the 0.25, and okay, yeah. Now we select again the front side. First we check the drawing. So now we have to make this one. The distance from here to here is 1.75. So we will take the one plane from. Firstly, we can extend this. I think we have to extend this till 3.5. Yeah. And now we have to make a one plane. So take the reference geometry from here. It should 1.725. Right? To 1.725. Yeah. No, it's 1.75. And on the flip. So we'll select this one. Now take the sketch for that. So it's the diameter of the one, and we have to make until 0.75. So it's at the die of the one. Yeah. And we have we'll give the extrude cut. And what's the dimension? So we'll separate this one. This one it should be the 1 inch. Okay. Oh, so now what we do? We have this circle is bigger. This one. I think these both are same. So we have to change the dimensions of the. Oh, now we have it's a 1.245. So we will go for that one. this one we can add it. The inner dia, what we take? 1.2. Now it's good to go. Yeah. And now we have to extrude the surface, not the, but not this one. We have to make the outer as well for this one. So we will take the sketch and to this over until here, and we can extrude, and it's until 1. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. Now we have to make. We have this. We have this. We have this. First of all, we will take the section view in front of, yeah. We will see. We have the same thing over here. Now we have to make the over here. So we will take it out and hide this one. Now we have to make this. So we have to find the first of all this diameter is the same like this. So we don't have to do anything. We have to just make this border, which is the over here, which is the distance from this surface is the 0.05, and until 0.125 this circle we have to extend. So what we do, we take another one reference plane from the surface, and what the distance is 0.05, and we will flip that direction. Okay, then we will sketch one circle over here, and what's the dimension we will see. So for this one it's it's 1.2. Okay. Oh, we have to again go with this. So this is the reason we have to always read the sketch with the good, because if we make the mistakes we have to do again and again and again. Now we can solve, it's not that much hard. So for this circle, yeah, we have to select the dimension. Oh, what happened? Control. Oh, we have to just exit from the sketch. Yeah, we have to add this sketch. Yeah. So for this, the dimension it was 1.245. Oops. Yeah, 1.245, and the same as over here. And now we will extrude over the reverse direction, and what it's here. We can do 0.125 minus 0.05. So we'll type over here 0.125 minus 0.5. Yeah, and that's done over here. I think that should be not the extrude. For that we have to take the extrude sketch for the same sketch. And what's the dimension for that? Oof, I forgot. So yeah, it's the same. Yeah. Yeah. Now our drawings look like the same. We go to the explode view. Yeah. Same like this. Yeah, we have everything. Just we will grab the metal appearance for this, so it should look good. We'll take the steel. Now we can take the stainless steel. So it's good. Subscribe for the new tips and tricks regarding CADs like the AutoCAD SolidWorks or the CATIA, or more enough.